Hey everyone, my name is Vishwas and welcome to an exciting series on React Native for beginners. In this series, we will start from scratch and learn the different concepts of React Native. In this introductory video, we will explore what React Native is, why it's worth learning, and the prerequisites you need to get started. Now, what I'm trying to do is make this channel a one-stop shop for everything related to React. So far, we have tutorials on React fundamentals and advanced topics, React hooks, React TypeScript, React Redux, React Router, React testing, React Material UI, React Style Components, React Storybook, React Query, React Table, React Formic, React Hook Form, and React Rendering Behavior. To add to this list, we're going to learn React Native. So, what exactly is React Native? React Native is an open source framework for building native Android and iOS applications using React. By leveraging JavaScript, you can access platform-specific APIs while employing React components to define the appearance and behavior of your user interface. It's important to note that React itself is a library designed for building user interfaces. To create web apps, you pair it with a library like React DOM, while for native mobile apps, you use a framework like React Native. Hopefully, this clarifies any confusion you may have had regarding React and React Native. Now that we understand what React Native is, let's explore why learning it can be beneficial. Traditionally, developing an iOS app requires knowledge of Swift or Objective-C, whereas building an Android app requires Java or Kotlin expertise. Considering the global distribution of users, with approximately 31% on iOS and 68% on Android, you would typically need to develop two separate apps using different technologies to cater to everyone. However, if you are familiar with React Native, you can create an app that works seamlessly on both platforms. Moreover, if you already have experience with React, learning React Native involves a minimal learning curve. For this very reason, React Native is in high demand in the job market. Rather than assembling separate teams of iOS and Android developers, businesses can opt for a single team proficient in React Native, saving time and costs. Furthermore, if the team is well versed in React, their expertise can extend to web app development as well. Finally, with companies like Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, Pinterest, and Discord using React Native to build mobile apps, you can be rest assured React Native is a great addition to your skill set. To get started with React Native, it's essential to have a solid understanding of JavaScript and the fundamentals of React. You don't need to be an expert, but concepts like function components, props, state, JSX, and hooks are prerequisites. If you're new to React, don't worry. I have an extensive tutorial series covering React from beginner to advanced levels, so be sure to check that out. My goal is to guide you from being a complete beginner to becoming an expert in React Native. All the source code related to this series can be found in my GitHub repository, which is linked in the description down below. With this introduction, we are now ready to start our journey of learning the various concepts of React Native. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video.